are again, another food truck. Check out this wonderful menu.
Hi, my name is Michelle Levin. I'm one of the owners of Salty Heifers Rolling Cafe. We have our chef Peggy in there who's cooking, and her wife Alyssa, who's over here manning everything. We have a diverse menu tonight. We have crab cake sandwich and the fish tacos, which is a tilapia taco, and street tacos tonight.
Salty Heifers Rolling Cafe came to Golden Beach this afternoon as another vendor for our food truck week at the beach. They prepared fresh and creative dishes for residents to enjoy. Everything was delicious, and even Reggie, the adorable beagle, howled in approval. Michelle took orders from the cars and golf carts that came through Long Point drive-thru, while Peggy and Alyssa prepared the food. There was a consistent line of residents who kept these ladies busy. The menu included crab cakes, fish tacos, and street tacos, made with your choice of beef, chicken, or mushrooms. We ordered a crab cake and fish tacos. The crab cake came on a soft bun with chips on the side. The crab cake had good flavor and was well prepared. It was moist and well seasoned. The fish tacos were also very tasty. These fish tacos were made with tilapia and had a nice hint of lime. They were topped with a cabbage and cilantro slaw, pico de gallo, grated cheese, and other ingredients. Generously, 3 tacos were included. These ladies did a great job cooking and offered creative menu items for Golden Beach residents to enjoy. Be sure to follow them on Facebook to find out their food truck schedule and locations. Golden Beach residents have continued to show their support and appreciation to local businesses during Food Truck Week at the beach. A special thanks goes out to Bamenco and the Civic Association, who have worked hard to bring a little joy to Golden Beach during these uncertain times. What could possibly be better or more joyful than a week of great food?
I'm glad you stopped by. We love being in Golden Beach.
It's a good idea. It's good for you. It's good for the community.
Yes.
So what's the hot number tonight? The crab cake?
So far it's the crab cake, and the fish tacos are starting to pick up.
Fish tacos are flapping.